Hello friends, this is Prince William from Carolina University, and this is my fifth video for the data structures lab. And in this video I have to show a singly linked list, how it works, and insertion, deletion, all that operations. So first I have created a structure called node. In this I have two variables, data and next stores the address of the next uh, node, and the data is the value that is inserted by the uh, user. And I have created several variables: front queue, rear queue, temp and t. All these are nodes just for insertion, various different insertion and deletion that has to be happened. So this is the first function, insert queue. In this I'm asking the user to insert from the front or in the middle or in the end. So according to the user's choice, the coding will take place. So if a user wants to insert the data from the front, this is the coding. I have created a new node for this, and this new node is the temp, called temp. Now the data is entered and the data goes to the data field of the temp node. And now the address of the temp, that is temp next, is equal to none, and if front queue equal to none. So this is the condition to check whether it is empty or not. So if front queue equal to null, so front queue and rear queue will be assigned to temp, to the node temp. Temp will be assigned to front queue and rear queue, and the address of the rear queue will be null. Else if it is the front queue is not null, that is some elements is present, so the next node present to the temp will be equal to front queue. That is value of front queue will be assigned to that address, and the temp node will be assigned to front queue. So if the user wants to enter the data at the middle, so I'm asking here I'm asking the user to enter the data after which you want to insert. That means you I'm asking the user to enter the data that he wants to enter after the after the element that he wants. So I'm asking here d. So another temporary node I have taken, that is called t here. So front queue is assigned to t. Now if the data field in the t is not equal to d, that is the input taken from the user, so the address of the t will be assigned to t. Now if address of rear, that is next address of the next node next to the rear queue, is equal to t, so element will not be found, that is it will be empty. Else another new node again it is created for this to enter the data. So every time we enter the data or we have to insert, we have to create a new node, a temporary node, just to keep it there, so as to insert in the array. Now the address of the temp, that is next node, is kept null. Now if front queue, again it's the same coding. If front queue is null, that is to check if they're empty or not. So if it is empty, we can insert, and if it's not, then we can't. This is the coding. Again, same coding is done for insertion at the end also. Now we come to the delete function. Again, I'm asking from the user to delete from front or from the middle or from the end. So here I have to see if rear queue is null or not. That is the stack, array is full or not, array is empty or not. So if it is empty, we can't delete anything. So if rear queue is null, the queue is empty, so that thing will be returned. And if there are some elements present in the queue, then front queue will be assigned to temp node, and the next node present next to the front queue is assigned as front queue. That is, front queue is incremented, and the element deleted will be the data present in the temp node. And again here delete temp, so all the temporary node that is which we have created will be deleted permanently. Now again, for each case like that, for deleting from the middle or deleting from the end, same code is repeated. Here one case is there, from while we are deleting from the middle, again I'm asking from the user to enter which you want to delete. So user will give particular data that he has entered. So if data present in T temporary node, and next the data present in the next node next to the temporary node T, if it is not, both are not null, then the data present in T is assigned to temp, and the T is incremented, that is T is assigned to the next node. And if T next the address of the T of the next node present from the T is null, then the element not found, there is no element such as that. And if it's found, then temporary next, the element present in the next node beside the temporary node will be equal to assigned to t next, and that data present in the T will be deleted, and the whole temporary node T that we have created will be deleted. Now again, this fn is equal to 3, we are saying that we have to delete the inserted value from the end. Again the same coding will be repeated. Now this function is for displaying all the element present in the queue. So if rear queue is null, that means the queue is empty, so nothing will be displayed. But if rear queue is not null, then some elements are present in the queue, and again here one temporary node is created and the front queue is assigned to temporary node. Again, if temp is not null, then there is some data present in the temp, and that data is displayed, and the temporary is assigned to the next node, address of the next node. Now in the main function, I'm asking here to I'm asking from the user to insert, delete, or display, or exit. So according to the choice entered by the user, the function, respective function will run. That is, if n equal to 1, insert queue function will run. If n equal to 2, delete queue function. N equal to 3, display function. And if n equal to 4, exit. Now let us run the code. So as I said, here it is asking to enter the choice. So I want to insert some element in the queue. So I want to insert the element from at the front. So 1. Now I'm entering a data. I want to continue. Now again I want to insert something. I'm inserting at the middle. So choice 2. So it is asking enter data after which you want to insert. So I want to insert a data after the data 12. So after 12 I want to insert. So now I'm inserting one data 122. Now again I want to insert at the end. So choice 3. I mean instead inserting a data. Now I want to delete some data. So I'm deleting. Entering choice 2. Deleting. I want to delete from. So the element 12, that is the first element, will be deleted because I have chosen the option delete from front. I want to display my queue. So here 21 queue is displayed. Thank you for watching my video.